Meine Güte, Mann. Hoffentlich verreckt der andere, ich kann ihm zu essen geben. Ich kann mal schauen, was da hin ist. Also, da haben wir einen Heuhaufen.
Looks like a feeding station for the cow.
Und wo sind die Kühe? Oh nein, das ist Motherfucking Larry. Du Wichser, und was willst du? Hä? Ah, ich kann nicht mehr mit dir reden.
Lee, oh my god, I'm so glad you two didn't get killed out there. Do you think Mark will be okay?
Wish I knew, but I think he's in good hands now.
Yeah? It's not too bad?
He'll be fine. I've seen guys go through worse.
How could you all bring us to this place?
Sie und Kenny haben Frieden nicht gemacht. Und was hältst du davon, das Motel zu verlassen, was dein Vater angeht? Was ist das für ein Satz? Sie und Kenny haben Frieden nicht gemacht.
Take it you and Kenny didn't exactly make up on the way here.
I tried seeing things from his point of view, having a wife and kid and everything, but gambling with your family's life is pretty stupid if you ask me. Lee, I know you and Kenny are friends, but you recognize that he's not the right person to lead this group, don't you?
Sicher schon. Du bist eine
Kenny
gute Kenny.
believes there's still hope. Maybe that's what we need right now.
Well, hope doesn't do any good if we're all dead. I'm focused on keeping us alive. And not giving my dad food. That was cold.
Er ist ein Wichser, Mann. Er kommt nie etwas über von mir. Selbst wenn er der Letzte ist in dieser Gruppe rein. Wenn nur ich und er wäre, ich würde alles allein fressen. Der Sieg kann verrecken, wenn es ist. Nennt mich ein Cold Herz Motherfucker, aber das ist ja so. Wer mich so behandelt, ne, der kommt das Gleiche zurück
There's
über.
not enough room in the house for all of us. I guess a few of us could camp out here in shifts.
Nicht genug Raum, schau dir das Haus mal an. Das ist eine verdammte Villa, als ob man dort keinen Platz hat. Heuballen!
Lots of hay. Enough of these might work as adequate cover from arrows, if that becomes a problem.
Okay, da haben wir alles angeschaut. Let's go back. Den Generator muss ich auch nicht anschauen, den haben wir schon angeschaut. Da hinten, da hätte ich Dings machen können. Da hinten hätte ich es reparieren.
If a couple of tools out in the open is as unsafe as it gets, we'll be fine here. Would have been nice to have one of these back at the motor inn.
Ja, das war mein Fehler. Ich hätte können das dritte Seil reparieren.
Fellas,
How you feeling, man? Look, I'm really sorry you almost got killed out there. We should have told you how dangerous it was.
no shit.
You saw what they did to your buddy. Nobody's safe here until we start to fight back.
But how?
The two of us should go out and do some recon. Then we'll all mount up for some revenge.
Hell yeah.
Who the fuck are these people in the woods?
We don't know. I think some of them used to work at the big box up the way.
Save lots.
Yeah. Anyway, they're nutty as all hell and get mad when they're hungry.
So are you ready to head out there and find their camp?
Yeah,
Yes.
It'll be a good opportunity to find out a bit more about what we're up against. Let's do it.
I'll stay here and hold down the fort.
Remember, we're just doing reconnaissance for now. No use getting ourselves killed.
Oh Scheiße, ich habe nicht mit ihr geredet, Ach komm.
See anything?
Not yet.
I know it's around here. It's gotta be close.
Ja, besser so, sonst reisse ich dir den Grind ab.
Here.
Oh shit, you found it?
Schleichen wir uns ins Lager.
You see anybody?
Sieht leer aus, kann ich nicht sagen. Ja.
Can't tell.
Watch my back, Lee. I'm gonna check out the tent. Clear. This camp's too small. It can't be their main base.
That's what I was thinking.
Take a look around anyway. There's probably some shit around here they stole from us.
Ja, da hast du doch so viele Kisten. Da. Oh, Gas!
Nothing but fumes. Shit.
Safe lots.
What's in the boxes?
They're all from save lots.
The first few days they told folks to gather to the save lots by the interstate. Anything worth taking?
Nichts also braucht eine leere Dosen, das ist zu viel für eine Person.
This is too much stuff for just one person.
Trust me, these selfish bastards don't stop taking. Probably just to remind us that it's theirs.
Yep. Oh. Da ist etwas für euch.
Boxes from the dairy here.
Probably the food we've been giving them. Fuckers cross the line.
Zweite Kiste, Einkaufswagen.
Looks like they were moving a lot of stuff.
Zelt.
Tent looks pretty new. Anybody inside?
2 sleeping bags. One of them's kid-sized.
Stuhl.
Looks like they expected to be here a while.
Kiste.
Empty.
Ha. Radio, Fernbedienung, Funkgerät, Kamera.
What'd you find?
A video camera.
Let me see that.
Battery's dead though.
Oh, good. What else they got over here? Let's see if we can find anything useful and then get a move on. I see you handled that gun I lent you pretty well. You a hunter?
No, but Lily keeps us all on a regular training schedule.
Lily? I thought you said Kenny was running things back there.
Yeah, but she's got the combat training.
Ja, so sieht's aus.
Empty. But it looks like someone's been eating out of these. Recently.
Abfall.
Yuck. I don't need that.
Was nicht. Was etwas noch drin? Suppe oder so.
Just water.
Just water. Schauen wir da noch die Lattenbox an.
Nothing.
Ja gut. Da haben wir alles angeschaut. Hat nichts. Gehen wir heim. Ah, warte, der Hut. Den Hut muss ich doch noch suchen. Ist echt da drin? Ja, da.
The hell?
Don't you fucking move.
Shit!
Put your guns down. I ain't going back. You tell him Jolene ain't going back.
Hey, we had a deal. No shooting as long as we gave you food. What the fuck happened?
You had a deal with them. I ain't them. Oh, I know you. I know what you are. And I know what you do.
You don't know me.
Steal my shit.
Wer bist du, was ist dir geschehen?
From me.
Why are you alone up here? What happened to you?
Well, that's a hell of a question, mister. They told me I'd be safe with them. Men who lived here. But it weren't safe. Not for me. And not for my girl. They didn't treat her nice. Not at all. They took her away into the woods. Wouldn't tell me where. And I begged them every way I could think. They just laughed. So I killed them. And I'm staying here till she comes back to me. One way or another. She'll come back. Now maybe you didn't hear me last time. When I asked you, sweet, put your damn guns down. You think I won't kill you? I'm gonna take this here crossbow and put a nice sharp arrow right through your eyeball. And into your goddamn brain. You're not men. You're monsters. All men are monsters. Take what they want and then destroy it all.
Scheiße, du hast Mark geschossen, oder?
Take a little girl. It's all the fucking same to you.
You shot Mark, you psycho bitch!
Who the fuck is Mark? I don't know any Mark.
You shot him at the dairy!
Fuck I did. That's them other people. They's good buddies with your boyfriend here. I guess you met him. Ain't they nice? You know what? I changed my mind. I'm putting this arrow right through your balls. Yeah, right through. String them up on that tree. Then I'm gonna head down to that farm and shoot every
Leg die Armbrust weg!
person I see.
Put down
Bitch!
the crossbow.
No, sir, I need it. I need it to kill you fuckers. Go on. Tell him, boy. Tell him what you got in mind for... Oh!
God damn it!
Du hast diese Frau ermordet.
You straight up murdered that woman!
Hardly. She had a crossbow pointed at my forehead.
Sie hat auf mich gezielt.
It's a clean shot, though. Right through the forehead. That's good shooting right there. Still, what a waste.
So, that's it. We going back?
If they ain't here, I don't know where they are. And it ain't a good idea to go tromping through the woods looking for them. So yeah, we head back. Once they see this, they'll get the message. Come on.
Ich weiss noch nicht, ob wir denen trauen können. Besonders ihm nicht, der ist immer so komisch drauf.